This is lesson 2.3, apply integer operations. And really we're just going to do some PEMDAS problems with positive and negative numbers. So these are just some calculator problems that you need to look at. So you just put this in your calculator, see what you get, and then go ahead and check your answers. Before you go ahead and do that though, I want you to know that just to remember that this is like divide right here. We're just going to use the divide symbol and not the fraction button because that can get us into a little bit of trouble. So why don't you go ahead right now and stop this video or pause the video and put these into your calculator, get your answers, and then come back and check with the answers that I'm going to put up here to see that you can put it in your calculator correctly. Okay, so again, here are the answers. You can go ahead and check them to make sure that that's what you got on your calculator. If you didn't for some reason, then you need to see me or a friend to figure out what went wrong. But I want to look at these 4 word problems. And the first one is that Gladys was teaching a flea to hop on a number line. The flea hopped to the right 4 units 2 times and then left 3 units 2 times. Write the total change to the flea's position as an integer. So I'm going to just draw a little picture over here of what's going on. So the flea hopped right 4 units 2 times. So hop, hop. Here's my 2 hops. And I know that each time it was 4 units. So 4, 4, that's 8. And then left 3 units 2 times. So I'm again hopping twice, 3 units. So 3 and 3. And since I'm going to the left, I know, hey, this is -6. They went backwards. So all in all, to model this change, they went forward 8 and backward 6 for a total of 2 units. You want to be super careful here. A lot of students want to put that the units are hops or times, but we're looking for units. So the next problem, excuse me, Buffy was playing a game in which she gained and lost points. First, she earned 7 points. So, okay, I'm just going to write that. She earned 7. Next, she earned 2 points 3 times. So 2 points 3 times, that's 6 points total. Last, she lost 7 points 2 times. All right, so then that means that she lost 7 points 2 times, 14 points. So this is the game situation. I'm just going to throw that in my calculator. And when I do, I see that she ended up with -1 points. Shaq made 5 withdrawals of $80 each from his checking account. He also made a deposit of $290. What is the total change to his account balance? Well, 5 withdrawals. I remember withdraw is negative. It's coming out of his bank account. So 5 withdrawals, $80 each. That's -400. 5 times -80, -400. And he put $290 back into his bank account. So this is the situation. He took 400 out, and now he's adding 200 to his bank account. That's -$110 that he ended up, like that was his total change. The last problem here, Rosa spent the day at the mall. First, she bought 5 hats for $30 each. Later, she returned 2 hats. After that, she found 2 $5 bills. Write the total change to Rosa's funds as an integer. All right, so the first thing I see is that she bought 5 hats, but she returned 2. So she really only bought 3 hats. So that's 3 hats times $30, and $90 was spent on hats. And since the $90 was spent, this is money that's leaving our account. This is negative. So she, paid that $90. And then she gets lucky and she finds 2 $5 bills. So she ends up finding $10. So she spent 90 on her hats and then she got $10 randomly. That means that she really only spent $80 since she got that extra money.